This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. Chinese CO2 heat pump manufacturer, LYD, open to new partnerships including OEMs, says sales manager. By J. O. Haraldson. Published October 22, 2025. With over 200 CO2 units installed globally, Fashion LYD energy-saving technology, a Chinese manufacturer of CO2 heat pumps and heat pump water heaters, is open to entering into new international partnerships, including with OEMs. Sales manager Dick Yi told naturalrefrigerants.com. LYD produces air-to-air, air-to-water, and water-to-water CO, 2 units for commercial and industrial applications, including hot and chilled water production and space heating and cooling. Its 4-pipe CO2 heat pump offers simultaneous hot water and free cooling. Depending on the configuration, heating capacities range from 8 kilowatts to 1 megawatt, 2.3 to 284.3 terajoules. With CO2 providing the best solution for domestic hot water, our first heat pumps, produced in 2015, focused on hotel applications for the local Chinese market, Yi said. Our next step was introducing the technology into China's high-speed train stations, where they need lots of hot water for travelers. Yi indicated that the company has roughly 140 to 150 LYDCO, 2 heat pump projects in China, and 50 internationally, including in other Asian countries, Europe, Central America, North America, and Oceania. Application latitude. Along with offering standard CO2 heat pumps, LYD's in-house design teams allow the company to produce function-specific products. Its smallest air source CO2 heat pumps for commercial applications come in 8 and 14 kilowatts, 2.3 to 4 tons of refrigeration, heating capacities. The units commonly used in the dairy sector produce 85 degrees Celsius, 185 degrees Fahrenheit, hot water. For larger hot water applications, the company's standard units in air or water source options come in heating capacities of 75, 120, 160, and 250 kilowatts, 21.3, 34.1, 45.5, and 71.1 TR. We can combine 4 250 kilowatt heat pumps to provide 1 megawatt of heating capacity, Yi said, adding that the units can produce outlet temperatures as high as 90 degrees Celsius, 194 degrees Fahrenheit. The heat pump air heater has a maximum outlet temperature of 120 degrees Celsius, 248 degrees Fahrenheit, with a heating capacity ranging from 40 to 250 kilowatts and a cooling capacity from 21.8 to 144 kilowatts. Cooperative mentality. The company is open to manufacturing CO2 units for international partners, which includes white labeling. Instead of pushing the LYD brand, our focus is on manufacturing and improving the product, Yi said. For example, we supply a complete rack with the casing, breaker, and fan already installed, but missing the CO2 compressor to a German client, Yi explained. This allows them to install a German-built compressor and market the product as made in Germany. LYD works to meet the regulatory requirements of individual countries. Authorizations the company has already received or is in the process of obtaining include UL certification for the US market, CE for Europe, South Korea's high-pressure requirements, and Australian-New Zealand standards. Developing the technology, the company's foray into CO2 started with one of its system designers who had 10 years of experience working for the Italian component manufacturer, Carrel, according to Yi. We advanced our CO2 product development after our engineers visited installations in China with equipment from both European and Asian manufacturers, Yi said, citing Italy-based SCM Frigo and Japan-based Itomic. Quotable, we've sold 250 CO2 heat pumps to our U.S. partner, IntelliHot, Yi said. The company has incorporated our air source CO2 heat pump into its hot water product and obtained UL certification for it.